Canada is currently the only country which allows the trophy hunting of polar bears. These vulnerable animals are currently under increasing pressures due to issues such as climate change. There are thought to be just around 25,000 left in the wild. Furthermore, this was once a majestic, sentient animal. Currently, it now represents a rug or a throw to put in somebody's room. This needless waste of a sentient animal's life is completely unnecessary and is something that has simply been generated because of human demand.